Hello, hello, and welcome to December 7th, VlogMas 7th. I'm having one of those mornings again. It got really cold last night. I actually turned on my heater for a half hour to take the chill off. But, there was uh, a couple of things. Number one, December 7th, Vlogmas number 7. Yesterday during the, or after the test, I did, my version of Crisscross, aka, Yokotate, because there was 10 minutes left when, like, the other tests went over. So, it's interesting. I'm like, how did that work? But, the kids really mess up day, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, like what day is it and what's the date? And see, I always put that to make it a little more obvious, but they still don't catch on to that. So look at me waking up. Anyways, one boy, I asked him to, what's the date? And he rose his hand and I called on him. And he answered December 7th, which it was December 6th, because they had already changed the board at lunch for tomorrow's schedule of what classes, what they're studying. So he just looked at the board and I'm like, burr, okay, sit down. Or, burr. The boy behind him answered correctly and he picked out of my style, Yokotate, was it everyone around me? No, all around me. And so the boy got to sit down because he sat in front of him. But he had his head in his, arm. And he was sad and crying. Or just upset that he got the answer wrong. It was so stupid that he got it wrong. It wasn't stupid. But, that's how he felt. I asked the question again because the point was to practice the greetings. Am I asking about the weather? How you are? And another boy answered December 7th, and I saw his head kind of, I could see red, but he had the smile on his face okay, I'm not the only one. Working with kids, it's amazing to see the life lessons they learn and starting to be able to recognize little lessons and things and the kids picking up on that because it's hard to separate yourself from that. It's hard to picture them being in a place where they don't have that life lesson yet and they haven't done that, and so it's kind of interesting. Plus it's a different culture, so okay, I really need to get dressed and ready for the day. See you soon. Okay, I am heading to work and I see a big plume of black smoke while I'm heading up this hill. Oh dear. So I'm on my way home, doing a little shopping to get some food and whatnot. I ended up getting some sweets. It's probably not a good idea. But I want to share a quick little story about what happened today. Now, I'm noticing my JTEs are using YouTube in class more and more. An example of this is if they have a song they want to sing. They pull it up on YouTube and then the kids sing it instead of a CD. Pretty cool. Well, today there was a news broadcast thing, and the teacher asked, have you heard any English news broadcasts? And the students replied, no, they've never heard one. And I think he wanted to show them the actual native speed compared to the news they get in the audio with their textbook. It is echoey. I like that. That's cool. But anyways, so he pulled up YouTube and he pulled up a live stream. Well, he asked me BBC or CNN, and I said CNN because CNN. And it was probably the best choice, and probably why I said it, because I knew this was going to happen, I bet. I really didn't know, but magical bunny and all that. it was the end of a medication, yeah, medication commercial. So it was like side effects include do 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 do. I'm like, oh dear, oh dear. I hope we don't have like 5 minutes of commercials and whatnot. The next story came up, and it was about Donald Trump and his sniffing. It was hilarious because when they started showing the video of all the times he was like over and over again, I mean, in any language that translates, and the kids were cracking up. I was hunched over on the table just laughing, going, oh dear, and this is the President of the United States. But then they also showed that back during the debate before he was elected, and they're like, Snifflegate, and I'm like, I can't explain that, but okay. And then the teacher stopped it. He let it go because it was kind of easy to understand, especially with most of it being the sniffles. But it was hilarious. It was so funny. Oh. Once again, I'm home. It is now 7:19, and I had dinner. I basically edited the rest of this video all before this. So I just need this little see you video, and then I'll be done and get that encoding. Though, pick up my camera. I still have no Christmas tree back there, and my apartment needs some little, tender loving care. And 2 days ago, my friend of mine messaged me in the morning on the way to work saying like, hey, I haven't seen the bunny. I want to hang out. I want to visit the bunny hole, my apartment. I'm like, wait, does that mean you want to come over? Yeah! I have to clean. I don't know. But I figure it'll also be very good motivation to hopefully clean. It is December 7th, and my tree is still not up, and that bothers me. Need to get the tree up. I think I will move my Christmas stuff out of my closet in my bedroom out to the spot, and maybe as this isn't coding when I do that, I'll just put on some Christmas music and be like, da, 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 da. Last Christmas I gave you my heart, and maybe I'll decorate the tree. I don't know. But that is another day of VlogMas 2017 and all that. So I will see you guys next time tomorrow. So, ja.